Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a demo of the Saviland Excelsior Nails Art Kit. I got this off of Amazon not too long ago and I was shocked to see it listed because I hadn't seen it prior. I mean, we've all seen the Beatles and a couple others on Amazon, but I've never seen one from Saviland, so I was really excited. They make other good nail products, so super happy to get these. So the box says that it is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and it does warn that there's a slight odor when you use the product, but I didn't observe anything that was, out of the ordinary. Actually, I didn't even smell anything, so that's definitely a plus. The box is really cute with the colors and the design. I love the pastel colors. However, I wasn't too impressed with how sturdy or unsturdy the box came in. But honestly, it may not even be Saviland's fault. I'm sure packages get thrown around all the time. This kit is currently listed as $19.99 on Amazon, and it does come with several things. First, it has the standard curing lamp, which is connected via USB. It has 15 milliliters of their nail glue gel, and it even includes a nail tip cutter. I think this is such a fabulous addition to the kit because it's good for people who love the Aprés dupe method and want pretty nails but can't necessarily afford the length of the tips that come with the kit, especially if you're typing all day or do a lot of things with your hands. So I thought that was really cool. And they have these two little nubs of files that we're not going to be using. There is also an instruction manual with 7 easy steps, which is exactly what we're going to be following today. And of course, 10 sizes of tips. And I'm happy to say that I actually found a size for every one of my nail beds. Okay, let's talk about this nail glue gel real quick. It's definitely more on the thin side, and as somebody with flat nail beds, I need my gel to be thicker to fill up the space between my nail bed and my nail tip. As you can see, it takes a while for the gel to start moving, and that plus the difficulty of using the lamp and trying to get it, towards the light, this was a little bit more tricky in application, but it was still able to cure the nail tip, which is what we wanted. In general, I think Saviland needs to swap out this lamp for something more suited towards the Aprés dupe method, especially if other brands are going to have their own spin on this kit and perhaps become more competitive simply because their products are easier to use for the consumer. Anyway, I go and flash cure my tips on with a mini lamp and then go under the big lamp for 120 seconds. And I do the tap test with these tips and they were successful. I then try the nail cutters that this kit came with, and I'm happy to say that they were not dull like some of the cheaper nail cutters that I've had in the past. They typically include them in other kits as well, but this one was pretty good. It definitely was able to work well with the tips, and I would say that this is 2 thumbs up for me, especially for those of us who want the Aprés dupe method but can't necessarily afford the length of the tips. I do plan on getting more of these kits as they come out, but I'd like to do a comprehensive video on what I think the pros and cons are of each one of them, and maybe nudge some of you guys in one direction over another, but definitely stay tuned for that. For now, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video sped up, and I'm so thankful that you stopped by.